What can I get for you?
I had a mobile order.
What was the name?
Ryan.
You can go for it.
Thank you. She laughed. I thought I was so confidently gonna say Tyler.
Oh, green's not even a color.
Green. Look how cute this is. A little book for your classroom.
12, 13, 16, 17. 17, thank you.
Turn on.
No.
Is it giving? Look, they have the fall stuff out. Oh my god, they have a bunch. They have a bunch. Oh,
Oh, it's so handsome.
yes, look. Okay, and coffee bean. I bet that smells so good. That smells like a Starbucks. These are all my favorite. That'd be cute for your classroom.
Cute.
And they're cheap.
I love this one. Oh, it smells good. It smells like my mom's Bath and Body Works.
And it's cheap. Stop. They're cute though. It smells like an astrology store.
$15.
Yeah, but they'd be comfy classroom ones. Oh, you're gonna try both of them on.
Not with this outfit on.
No, but they're adorable. Look at that. That one's super cute. What is this?
That's like a room spray.
This smells really good.
Leaves.
It smells like fall. But it's not too heavy. That's why I like
It
it.
smells really good.
Ooh, that's cute though.
This is terrible.
They have really, really cute Halloween pillows. Are you joking?